Hi, welcome back to Raunchy Reality Recap. So in this video, we're going over teen mom Amber and Andrew Glennon. Now, I just saw something on the Ashley Reality Roundup that they went to court today, or we should say yesterday. So I'm reading it at the same time because I just popped it up and I want to get this video out there. So it says exclusive, Amber, Portwood, and Andrew Glennon faced off in court today to address Andrew's request to terminate Amber's time with son James. Here's what happened. So it says Andrew and Amber once again faced off in court for the next hearing when it's what has become a bitter years-long custody battles over their son James. Previously told you before, and I did a video about this, where the kid fell off apparently while Amber was in a hotel room visiting him, fell down, busted his lip. Amber got off the phone real quick. Andrew tried to call back and she didn't answer, but I think she apparently answered again. But he went to the hotel at like 1:30 a.m., went and got James because of a busted lip, and then got upset at Amber because she was upset about it. And it's like, yeah, of course she is. You get this little bit amount of time with her kid, and then you're coming in here at 1:30 in the morning and yanking him out. Like, that's where I'm like, just, Andrew lost me right there. But anywho, so, Amber fought back, came to the court receipts, tried to prove Andrew's claims were not true. The Ashley can report that Andrew and Amber have yet had another court hearing on Thursday in regards to Andrew's motion to suppress Amber's parenting time. Andrew, who now lives in California and his attorney, attended the hearing via video while Amber and her legal counsel attended in person in Indiana. The Ashley can reveal that Thursday's hearing started with Andrew's side cross-examination of Amber. The rest of the testimony and the presentation of evidence also occurred at Thursday's hearing. Now, Amber and Andrew have both been ordered to submit their proposed orders to the court and provide their arguments via written briefs. There will be no more oral arguments. Amber and Andrew both required to submit their briefs to the court by September 5th. After the briefs are submitted, the judge has 90 days to make a ruling. As Ashley previously reported, the judge previously denied Amber's request to immediately terminate Amber's parenting time with James, deeming the situation not an emergency, so presumably Amber has continued to see James as planned throughout this court battle. Next Monday, Amber and Andrew will have to be present in court yet again, this time both via video chat, to address Amber's request to have their court records sealed. In other news, Andrew and James have reportedly recently moved to another one of Andrew's mother's homes. They are now living in Andy's mom's Santa Barbara, California estate, which his son reports is valued at $2.7 million. They had previously been shacking up at the family's $4.6 million mansion in Malibu, California, which is 75 miles south of Andrew's new pad. Ashley will update this story more when it's available. Now, I did see that in another one as well, that he moved over. And I think in the other one, because I remember it said it was his grandma's home that he moved to, and her name was Charmaine, which I remember that because I was thinking, like, Charmaine, that sounds like an old rich lady's name. And I was thinking, I wonder if somebody's named Celeste in that family, because that sounds like an old rich lady name too. So this boy just comes from money, and he's using all this money. He thinks he can get his way. Like, literally, I'm pretty sure he thinks he can pay his way to get his kid all the time. And it's ridiculous because the woman gets that little of a time. And if the only thing that you can sit there and say she's doing wrong is because the kid got a boo-boo and in her care, then dang, I mean, that means how many parents are bad parents if their kids get boo-boo while in their care? I mean, shoot, every other day I must be a bad parent because my kid don't know how to watch out for anything, basically. I mean, he comes around that corner and he comes fast. So, yeah. It just amazes me. This whole thing, I think, is just going to make him look bad in court. I really is. Unless he has some super serious proof of her being neglectful or abusive or the kid being in danger in her care, I think it's just going to make him look like a complete fool in the court and in the eyes of the judge. And it's going to make it to where next time he brings up something, whether it be, petty or serious, they're not going to take him seriously as they would. So he's just ruining his chance to ever actually help his kid if he needs to, because he wants to bring something petty like this. I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, you do realize that these judges, these attorneys, everybody that deals with the family court, they see this day after day after day. And it's like, you don't realize that they can see completely what this bullcrap is, So, yeah, I don't think Amber's the best mom. I don't. But I also don't think that the little time she has with her child should be taken away from her over a boo-boo. Like, it's not that big. Like, come on, y'all. But anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. So like, subscribe, and share. Y'all have a great day. Bye.